Welcome to Woodhill Park Campsite. Now before we go on site, I'm just going to explain that Woodhill Park is directly off the A149 just outside of Cromer. And one of the reasons that we chose this site is because the bus stops literally outside the site, and you can either go to Cromer in one direction or you can go to Sheringham and as far as Wells next to the sea in the other direction. Let's go and have a look at the site. So next to the booking in kiosk we have a well-stocked shop and reception area. Now in reception they have bus timetables, local places to see, etc., which is what you would expect them to have. Now you can walk to the beach from Woodhill Park Campsite. It's about a 10-minute walk. There is a little on-site crazy golf. Now whilst I'm taking around the rest of the site, it's probably a good time to mention that although we are members of the Caravan and Motorhome Club, we do not stick to using only their sites. We think it's only fair for us to try a lot of other sites, including privately run sites. And it's better for our viewers on the channel, hopefully, to see what is available other than the standard club sites. So as you can see here, we have football pitch and a tennis court, and over there in the distance a children's play area. So when you come in by reception, you would turn right for the pitches. There are holiday homes that are literally pretty much hanging off the edge of the cliff. It's quite a large campsite, but it's so well spaced out that it never feels like a large campsite, which suits me down to the ground. So we are on pitch 116. That'll be that one there. So as we pass our van, let's show you some of the facilities. So there are some individual shower rooms, as you can see here. Family bathrooms, some sink preparation areas, a dog bath, and the chemical disposal point. Now you are, unsurprisingly, I guess, as the name is Woodhill Park, quite high up, and depending on what the weather is doing, it can get quite windy up here. In fact, we had quite the storm last night, but the view is absolutely gorgeous, and depending on your pitch you may well be able to see the sea, because that's the sea over there. Now, as you would expect, there are a lot of different pitch options available here. We again find ourselves on a hard standing pitch, fully serviced. I will put the current prices, or at least the prices that we have paid, in the bottom of the video. There is free Wi-Fi on site, but the Wi-Fi will not extend all the way across the campsite. So we happen to be relatively near to the reception area, and the Wi-Fi there has been absolutely fine. I say absolutely fine, it's dropped out occasionally, but it's been absolutely fine most of the time. We've even been able to stream a bit of YouTube, watching some of our favourite channels like Pearl the CV20 and Sue of Campervan. So the beach access is just up from the reception area, and I would stress, just like the signs do as you walk along it, that the cliff face is actually quite dangerous, so you need to make sure you know where your kiddies are. that the fence has collapsed on many places along the walk because of course of erosion, or land erosion even. I think we're going to leave it there, everyone. We hope you found this little campsite review informative. As always, if you did, please give it the thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed to our channel already, why aren't you subscribed to our channel? It is absolutely free to subscribe to our channel. We are going to be doing many more campsite reviews and many more travel reviews. So please tag along with us and hit that subscribe button at the end of this video. See you soon. So we arrived earlier today at Woodhill Campsite, which is the next stop on our little tour of the East Coast. And with no risk of any copyright issues whatsoever, I'm going to sing the following. What a difference a day makes. 24 little hours. That wasn't even singing, was it? Because yesterday was an absolutely scorching day, so much so, and there's a warning of what you're about to see. I burnt my legs because I think when we were doing the sun cream I probably forgot that I was going to be wearing shorts. It's my bad. Today is much cooler, much fresher, probably about 15 degrees. But I'm still in my shorts because my poor legs are sore. So anyway, at this campsite for this evening, we'll show you that the sea's not far away.
We're not going that way. I don't think we're going that way, folks. Nope.
I bet you some folk on mountain bikes would probably try that, to be fair. Should we carry on?
I think there's a mountain bike on the
The beach isn't very big, Alice.
This is not the beach.
Oh, it's not the beach, okay. My daughter knows that I'm playing her up, obviously. Joking aside, if you are here with kids, then along the path that we've taken from Woodhill Campsite, there are some ways that people are obviously trying to use, or are using, to get to the beach. But you need to be mindful if you've got young kids that they need to be staying away from. You wouldn't want them going down there, would you?
Nope.
So I guess that there fence there used to run along here, but without me getting too close to the edge, you can clearly see it's that erosion happening again, isn't it? So you'll be rather careful if you've got young kids walking along this path.
Woolly mammoth, steppy mammoth, 7 mammoths.
I'm walking along here now, and to be quite honest, I'm not sure whether this is a bit that's going to come to a dead end. I've got to walk back round or not. Every day is an adventure. Is this path going to be a dead end, or am I going to get to the beach? That's the question. Well, it sort of does and it doesn't. I'm not jumping on them there rocks, that's for sure. But we've not got to go all the way back. And we're doing shell larking again. We can't keep going back with shells because there'll be no room at the house. Looking for fossils. There's one holding this camera. So we have obviously just walked along that there path. It's probably took us about 10 minutes to get to the beach, which makes for a nice little stroll on the evening. Right, to be fair to the viewers, there's not much else you could say about a beach with hardly anybody on it. What do you reckon? So I'm not sure what part of what video this is going on at the minute, so there might be a change of clothes on this very same video. And it's probably a good time to mention, because I haven't mentioned it for quite a while, we sincerely thank all of our viewers they've used our Amazon storefront page. Underneath every single video that we put onto YouTube, there is a link below the video that takes you to our storefront page on Amazon. Now, viewers that have used this already will know that of course you're actually using your own Amazon, it's not our Amazon. But basically our storefront page gets you through to the items that we use and we would recommend for van life, the camera equipment we use on the channel, and the car cleaning equipment that we use. Now of course we do earn a small commission when you make a purchase using our Amazon storefront page, and we are very grateful for it. It helps build the channel. So thank you very much to all those viewers that have used the link. Now I need you all to keep an eye on that cliff while I'm filming. If you see any movement, shout at the TV, run. So we arrived at Wood.
As in tree as in wood.
So we arrived at Woodhill Campsite today. A little bit further down on our little mini east curtain. I can't have little and mini. I'll do it again. So we arrived at Woodhill Campsite today, which is further down on our mini Woodhill. So what was we saying? It's very busy. I think Saturday must be a busy day.